Tetracyclines are second type mentioned in your book as an example of antibiotics. Tetracyclines are special types of antibiotics. These are broad spectrum antibiotics, means they are used for a wide range of bacterial infections. They are used to treat very large number of bacterial diseases. They are also called bacteriostatic antibiotics because they retard the growth of bacteria. They inhibit or stop the growth of bacteria. How do they stop the growth of bacteria? They stop the growth of bacteria by inhibiting protein synthesis in the bacteria. Because bacteria are made up of protein, so if there will be no new protein produced or synthesized by bacteria, there will be no growth of bacteria. The mode of action of tetracyclines is to inhibit bacterial growth by inhibiting bacterial protein synthesis. At best, they are bacteriostatic antibiotics. Although they stop the growth of bacteria, they are broad spectrum antibiotics. They are used a wide variety of bacterial infections of urinary tract, respiratory tract as well as gastrointestinal tract, means intestines. The infections, the most of the diseases of urinary tract are treated by tetracyclines, and the most of the infections of respiratory tract like pneumonia, bronchitis, etc. are treated by use of tetracyclines. Intestinal infections are also treated with the help of tetracyclines. Thence they are broad spectrum antibiotics. But there must be one thing considered, that these children which are under age of 8 must not be given tetracyclines. Why the babies or children under age 8 are not given the tetracyclines if they have any infections in the urinary tract, respiratory tract, or intestinal tract, or you may simply call intestines? The reason for not giving the tetracyclines to babies under age 8 is that tetracyclines may in this age cause severe staining of teeth. The irreversible staining, discoloring of teeth results in a bad impact on the babies in their future life. If teeth are discolored, they look nasty, very bad. That is why the babies or children under age 8 are not given tetracyclines, because of the effect of tetracyclines on teeth, which is staining the teeth.